Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Singh. Today I will show you how you will log in into the Scratch. Okay, so let's start. So first thing, we have to just open any browser and just search for the Scratch. So it will show you this link, which is the scratch.mit.edu. So just click on this link. After that, we will get two options here. So the first option is join the Scratch. The second option is sign in. Okay. So first, if you already logged in here, so you need to just click on the sign in. And if you are a first time user here, so just click on this join a Scratch. So now just click on join the Scratch. So first thing, we have to create one username here. So that username must be unique. So suppose I'm just creating the username code for kids. Now you have to select one password. And then retype that password. After that, if you want, even you can change your password also, okay? Click on this next button. After that, it will ask you whether you want to save your password. So it's up to you. If you want to save, click on the save. If you don't want, so just click on the never. So now select your country. So I'm from India. So I will select the India over here. After that, click on the next button. It will ask you like you have to enter your month. So you can select your date of birth here. Then just click on this next button. After that, what's your gender? You have to just select the gender. Then click on the next. After that, it will ask you what is your email ID. Okay. So we have to put our email ID here. So I'm putting my email ID. And then click on this create your account. So this is very simple steps you have to follow. Okay. After that, you will get your profile here, which is so here I took my username as the code for kids. Okay. Now, after that, if you want to share your project, okay. So first thing you have to confirm your email ID. So what you will do, whatever ID you used here, you have to just open your email, okay, and just click on the link you will get from the scratch, okay. Once you will do that, after that you will get here your profile. My stuff means how many project you created. If you want to set your account and your sign out option, okay. So in the my stuff you will get all the projects, everything, okay. So in this video we saw like how you will log in into the scratch, okay. So from next video, we will start how you will create a project here, how you will make a game. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day. So please like, share and subscribe this channel, Code for Kids. Okay. Have a great day.